It's about 6 o'clock now, and I'm on my way to Ratika Ranjani Sabha to listen to Sanjay Subramaniam's concert as part of Brahmagana Sabha. And the roads are dug up here because of the metro project, but I'm sure I'll be there around 6:05 or so. I have reached here on time for the concert, and it's going to start in about few minutes. And this is the Ratika Ranjani Sabha, which has been newly renovated. So I have not had an opportunity to come here as it was undergoing renovation, and looks pretty good. And it's a Sanjay concert. It's a new Sabha, newly inaugurated building. I am really excited to get inside. Sanjay started the concert with Patnam Subramania's Varnam in Saveri Ragam. Papanasham Shivan's Sakala Bhuvana in Kedaram followed next.
Chidambaram Valar Ponnambalavana Ambalavana Ponnambalavana.
There was a brief alapana of Amrita Vahini followed by Tyagaraja Swami's popular kriti. Sanjay then launched into an exquisite alapana of Gauri Manohari, followed by Maharaja Swati Tirunal's kriti Sarasa Sama.
A brief Alapanai and Virutham was a prelude to the Kriti in Vegada Ragam, Karunai Tandennai by Maravai Chidambara Bharati.
ததறின தவள முகுந்தற்கு இளையவள மாத்தவள தவள உன்னை அன்றி மற்றோர் தெய்வம் வந்திப்பதே கருணை தந்தென்னை ஆளம்மா கருணை
The stage was then set for a grand RTP in Hamsanadam. Varadarajan and Neyveli Venkatesh were like salt and pepper, following Sanjay so closely, and it was such a treat to watch them engage on the stage and anticipating every move of the master and embellishing it. The concert entered on a high note with a Viritham in Shanmuga Priya and the Kriti Om Saravana Bhava.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿನಾದ ಗುರುವೇ ಶರವಣ ಭವನೆನು ತಿರುಮಂದಿರಂ ತನೆ ಸದಾ ಜಪಿಯ ನಾವೇ ಶರವ
I'm just getting out after the Sanjay's concert, which was such a fantastic experience today. It was a full blockbuster concert where Sanjay brought out everything which you would look for in Sanjay concert, and you can see the crowd coming out.